Welcome friends, I am Jayesh Gandhi and today we are going to talk about 8085 simulator for mobile. Every student has a smartphone and use of such applications will facilitate him to practice the 8085 programs extensively. So here is a method of downloading and using the 8085 simulator app. So first of all you need to download it. So open the Google Play Store. On the Google Play Store search for 8085 simulator and you will find that there are many applications available, out of which the first one on the list, 8085 simulator by SC Lab. This simulator we are going to use for our purpose. A pro version is also available, so those interested may also try the pro version. We will use the 8085 free app which is available on the Google Play Store. I have already downloaded it, so I will open the app. You can download and open the app. The desktop of this app shows various buttons and an output screen on which you can see the addresses and the data. The output screen, as you can see, is divided into two parts. The four LED displays over here, they are used for address field, and the two LED displays are used for data field. Since the address is a 16-bit number, so it requires a 4 LED display, and the data is an 8-bit number, so it requires 2 LED display. Apart from that, there are four important buttons: the reset, the set, go and register. These are the four important buttons which we will be using to execute our program. So now let us understand the interface available over here. You find that there are various buttons on the interface and a display on which friend is written. The buttons on the display are used to enter the numbers, as well as some command buttons are available with the help of which we can operate various commands. So let us see them one by one. The first one being viewing the 8085 registers. So the button on the over here is used to view the registers of 8085. So activating the button will make the list of registers available, and you can press any of the register of your interest and see the value of that particular register. So here I am showing you the value of A register. Then you can have the value of D register. Then you have the value of H register. You can also see the flag register of 8085. So here you can view all the 8085 registers. Now let us reset the kit once again. I will call this as the kit. And next we want to see the memory, and we can also modify the memory. The registers could not be modified, but the memory can be modified. So for that we have to press the set button on the kit. So when you press the set button, then you find that on the display there is a dot over here. This dot indicates that whatever you will enter will be placed in this field. This is called the address field of the display, where you will have the 16-bit address. And this is called the data field of the display, where you will have the 8-bit data. So say for example, I want to view the addresses 6000 and so on. So I have entered the address 6000. I press the INR button at the bottom, and that shows me that the value in this memory location is 00. Now suppose I change this value to AA. I press the INR button. So the next address is displayed. INR stands for increment. The next address is displayed. There is a number 11. I will write BB suppose. For simplicity, we will write down AA, BB, CC, DD so that we can remember them and again view them. Then next we will write down CC. Then next we will write down DD. And then we have written down 4 numbers. Now I reset the kit once again. Set 6000, that is the address. And now I want to verify that initially when we viewed this address, it had a number 00. Now it should have AA. So that is there. Then BB, that is there. Then CC, that is there. Then DD, that is there. So this is how you can enter the data or the program in the 8085 memory. So now the 4 memory locations have 4 bytes of our interest. Let us reset the kit once again. Now suppose you have entered the whole program and you want to execute the program. Then what you should do? You should press the go button. Give the starting address of your program. Say for example 2000. It can be any address of your interest. So 2000 is the program of our interest and I want to execute the program starting from this address. So I enter the address and press the execute switch. Once you press the execute switch, the program will be executed. However, in this situation we have not entered any program and therefore executing the program will be invalid because you don't know what will happen, how the kit will respond, and therefore I'll just reset it back. So we have learned the 4 switches or the 4 keys which are available on the kit: reset, set, go and register. Apart from this, on the upper side of the display you find that there are 3 buttons. One is the guide. The guide will explain you the operation of this particular software. Then we have the list of instructions. So there are various instructions shown over here. You can also find the instruction of your interest. Say for example I write down STA. So you get the STA instruction. And with that you get the opcode of that instruction also. So you can easily find out the opcode for the desired instruction. Apart from this, here you have got a small calculator sort of thing in 3 number system, the hexadecimal, decimal and binary. So you can do all the 4 operations, binary, hex and decimal, with the help of this. So if you want to add A6A plus 92, then whatever is the result, that will be available as the result of this addition. The result is FC. It is also shown at the bottom of the screen as decimal and binary. So that is how you manipulate the numbers in various number system. So that is the 3rd button about the kit. So totally there are 7 buttons which you can operate and understand the kit. Apart from this, we would also like to see this aspect where various kits manufactured by various manufacturers are displayed over here, and the use of the kit may differ a little. Say for example I use this, then instead of set there is a substitute memory command, or there can be examine memory command, examine register command. So that much variation is there. Otherwise all the kits are same and they will give you the same operations. Apart from that, over here you have the drawer of the program where you have various things in the menu. So you can just go through that. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please press the like button and subscribe our channel to view the future tutorials. Thank you very much.